Hi, it's Ben from Hannells, and today we are in the historic hamlet of Stanton-by-Bridge, which is just before you get to Melbourne, to check out this family-sized detached bungalow. But before we take a look around inside, just check out one of the most amazing features of this property, which is some incredible surrounding views. Just imagine waking up to views like that every morning. Right, let's take a look inside. So, this bungalow, it looks big from the outside, but you don't get a true sense of just how big it is until you experience it inside. So we start in a nice big welcoming entrance hall. We're then through to a great sized lounge. Just behind me, there's a separate dining room. Behind that, there's a separate sitting room. You've got a fitted kitchen, 3 double bedrooms, and a surprisingly spacious family bathroom with a 4-piece suite. And as you can see, all of the rooms along the back of this property make the most of these amazing countryside views. Now, the current layout is going to suit some families to a T, but if you're a fan of the more modern open plan living style, if you take this wall out that separates the lounge from the dining room, and then the wall in front of me out which separates the kitchen from both, you could create an absolutely incredible open plan living, dining and kitchen space. And then on this side of the bungalow, you've got the 3 double bedrooms and the family bathroom. So before we leave, just need to point out that as well as this huge driveway with plenty of off-road parking, there's also great sized detached garage. So that brings to an end today's tour of Half Acre on Ingleby Road in Stanton-by-Bridge. As you can see, a really well maintained, great sized detached bungalow that has loads of potential for somebody to come in and really make it their own. So if you're looking for something that's a bit different, with views that are sure to impress everybody that comes to see you, this is definitely one worth checking out. To arrange a viewing or for more information, give our Chellaston branch a call today on 01332 705 505 and they'll be happy to help. So thanks for joining me on today's tour, and I will see you on the next one.